Hi, today we are going to learn division by different types of numbers. Before learning division, you must learn tables well. First, introduction. What is division means? Division means equal distribution, that is repeated subtraction. Here I am just saying some special terms using in division. Divide 49 by 6. Here 49 is dividend. The number that is divided is called dividend. 6 is the divisor. The number that divides is called the divisor. Answer is 8. The number obtained as result is called the quotient. How many 6 we can take from 49? That is 8. Last, remainder. Here 1 is the remainder. The number left over or undivided is called a remainder. End of the video, I will explain how quotient, dividend, divisor and remainder are related to each other and verify the result of division. Division by one digit number. Divide 648 by 4. Here dividend is 648 and divisor is 4. The first digit of the dividend is 6. How many 4s we can take from 6? 4 ones are 4. We can take only 1 4. Then write 1 in the quotient and 4 below the 6. Then minus 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then we bring down the next digit of the dividend, that is 4. We get 24. How many 4s we can take from 24? 4 6 are 24. Write 6 in the quotient and 24 below the 24, then subtract. We get 0. Then bring down the last digit of the dividend, that is 8. How many 4s we get from 8? That is 4 2s are 8. Then 2 write in the quotient and 8 write below the 8, then subtract. We get 0. Quotient is 162 and remainder is 0. Next number, divide 1297 by 4. Here I take same divisor, then you can easily understand. The 1297 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. Here first digit of the dividend is 1, that is smaller than divisor. So we take first 2 digit of the dividend, that is 12. How many 4s we can take from 12? 4 3s are 12. Write 3 in the quotient and 12 below the 12 and subtract. 12 minus 12, that is 0. Next digit of the dividend is 9. We bring down 9. Our new dividend is 9. How many fours we can take from 9? There is 4 twos are 8. Write 2 in the quotient and 8 below the 9 and minus. 9 minus 8, that is 1. The last digit of the dividend is 7. Bring down 7, then we get our new dividend is 17. How many fours we can take from 17? 4 fours are 16. Write 4 in the quotient and 16 below the 17. Then subtract. 17 minus 16, that is 1. Quotient is 324 and remainder is 1. Then next number, divide 5182 by 5. Here dividend is 5182 and divisor is 5. The first digit of the dividend is 5. Then how many 5s we can take from 5? Only 1. 5 ones are 5. Write 1 in the quotient and 5 below the 5 and minus. We get 0. Then we bring down the next digit of the dividend, that is 1. Then we get our new dividend is 1. 1 is smaller than divisor. So write 0 in the quotient. Then 5 zeros are 0. Then write 0 and minus. Then we get 1. Now we bring down the next digit, that is 8. Then our new dividend is 18. How many 5s we can take from 18? That is 5 3s are 15. Write 3 in the quotient and subtract 18 minus 15. That is 3. Then bring down the last digit of the dividend, that is 2. We get 32. How many 5s we can take from 32? 5 6 are 30. Write 30 below the 32 and subtract. We get 2. Write 6 in the quotient. Now answer is our quotient 1036 and remainder is 2. Next, divide 60,154 by 6. Here, dividend is 60,154 and divisor is 6. First digit of the dividend is 6. How many 6 we can take from 6? Only 1. 6 ones are 6. Write 1 in the quotient and 6 below the 6, then subtract. 6 minus 6, that is 0. Bring down the next digit of the dividend, that is 0. Zero is smaller than 6. So we write 0 in the quotient. Again, bring down the next digit of the dividend, that is 1. Even we can't divide because 1 is smaller than 6. So again write 0 in the quotient. Next, bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now we get 15. Here bring down two digits together. Which method used in your text? You should follow that. Otherwise you can do like this also. How many 6 we can take from 15? 6 2s are 12. Then write 2 in the quotient and 12 below 15, then minus. We get 3. Bring down the last digit, that is 4. Now our new dividend is 34. How many 6 we get from 34? That is 6 5s are 30. Right? 5 in the quotient and 30 below the 34 and subtract. Then remainder is 4. Quotient is 10,025 and remainder is 4. Division by two-digit numbers. Divide 2,892 by 12. Here dividend is 2,892. Divisor is 12, that is 2 digit. Here divisor is 2 digit. So take the first 2 digit of the dividend, that is 28. How many 12s we can take from 28? 12 2s are 24. Then write 2 in the quotient and 24 below the 28 and subtract. (28 minus 24) 4. Next digit of the dividend is 9. Bring down the 9. We get 49. How many 12s we can take from 49? 12 4s are 48. Right? 4 in the quotient and 48 below the 49. Then minus. We get 1. The last digit of the dividend is 2. We bring down the 2 also. Our new dividend is 12. How many 12s we can take from 12? 12 ones are 12. Write 1 in the quotient and 12 minus 12 is 0. Here quotient is 241 and remainder is 0. Next number, divide 12,056 by 25. Here dividend is 12,056 and divisor is 25. The first 2 digit of the dividend is 12. It is smaller than divisor. So take first 3 digit, that is 120. How many 25s we can take from 120? That is 25 fourths are 100. Then write 4 in the quotient and 100 below the 120. Then subtract. We get 20. Bring down the next digit, that is 5. Then our new dividend is 205. How many 25 we can take? 25 eighths are 200. Write 8 in the quotient and minus 200 from 205. We get 5. Bring down the last digit, that is 6. Then we get 56. How many 25s we can take? 25 twos are 50. Write 2 in the quotient and 50 below the 56 and subtract. (56 minus 50), that is 6. Quotient is 482 and remainder is 6. Next number, division of a number by any multiple of 10. Multiples of 10 means 10, 20, the 100, 1000, etc. Divide 360 by 60. If there are equal number of zeros in the dividend and the divisor, we can remove the zeros and divide the remaining digits. Here in 360, we remove 1 zero, then we get 36. From 60, we remove 1 zero, we get 6. Then 36 divided by 6, that is 6 6 are 36. Write 6 in the quotient and 36 below the 36 and subtract. That is 0. Quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Divide 7200 by 900. Here both dividend and divisor have 2 zeros. So we can remove the zeros and divide the remaining digit. Then first we remove 2 zeros from 7200, that is dividend. We get 72. Then we remove the zeros from divisor. Then we get 9 is the divisor. How many 9s are present in 72? 9 8s are 72. Write 8 in the quotient and 72 below the 72, then subtract. The quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. Checking division. We already done this problem. The divide 49 by 6. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. How we can check our answer is right or wrong? Use equation dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 49 equal divisor, that is 6 into quotient 8 plus 1. Then 6 8s are 48 plus 1, then we get 49. then our dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Your answer is right. You can check your answer like this. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. You practice with more numbers, then you can thoroughly understand.